Thank you for your interest in the Eastern Company. I'm Gus Black, President and CEO of Eastern. It's my pleasure today to talk to you about the transformation at Eastern, where we've come from and where we're going. Before we get started, we're going to make some comments about our expectations and plans for Eastern. Please review this notice on forward-looking statements. Our presentation also includes non-GAAP measures and a reconciliation between GAAP and non-GAAP. Please read this statement on non-GAAP measures. Our focus is on creating long-term shareholder value, and we believe that we've built an engine to deliver this. We start by allocating capital where we get the best returns. This includes deciding what should be in and out of our portfolio, and which projects or businesses in the portfolio generate the best returns. In the past 5 years, we've allocated $126 million to acquisition and $15 million to capital expenditures. We also look periodically at share repurchase or other investment opportunities. We believe that we now have a portfolio that is well positioned for faster growth. The markets that our core businesses are serving are entering transformational stages as a result of digitization, developments in automation, and more. And our capabilities and position in these markets is unique, setting us up for success. When we started in 2016, we managed 12 businesses, and the 3 largest businesses represented roughly 60% of total sales. Through consolidations, acquisitions, and divestitures, we now have 6 businesses, and our 3 core businesses account for more than 80% of total sales. These businesses also generate more cash, they're less capital intensive, and we're continuing to improve capital efficiency. This allows us to maintain a strong balance sheet with modest debt to enhance return for shareholders, and also enables us to allocate capital to new growth opportunities in each of our 3 core businesses. Let me briefly remind you of our 3 core businesses. This is what Eastern is today. Big 3 Precision includes 2 operations. It's the leader in turnkey supply chain packaging for large OEM assembly operations, and it's also one of the largest domestic providers of custom blow mold tooling, serving the consumer packaged goods and pharmaceutical industry. We acquired Big 3 Precision in 2019. Eberhard is a global manufacturer of access hardware, primarily serving the vehicle and vehicle accessory industry. We acquired Eberhard in 1936, and this is really a remarkable story of continuous reinvention. Velvac designs and manufactures vision systems for commercial vehicles, and we added them in 2017. There is customer and market overlap among these businesses, creating opportunities to cross-sell, yet the businesses serve a range of end markets, and while many markets are tied to vehicles, the markets are relatively independent. Just briefly about our end markets. We frequently focus on the Class 8 and commercial vehicle OEMs. The Class 8 OEM is traditionally cyclical and characterized by long sales cycles, as well as long program commitments. The other commercial vehicle markets are more fragmented and total demand is more stable, although subsegments can be bumpy. We also serve the commercial vehicle aftermarket, both directly and through OEM aftermarket channels, as well as consumer discretionary markets, providing custom security solutions for truck accessories such as tonneau covers and truck cabs, and security for sporting goods products such as bike racks and gun safes. And then finally, our packaging business supports OEM supply chains, primarily in passenger and commercial vehicles, but also in other assembly operations. And then the other part of our packaging business serves consumer packaged goods, as well as pharmaceutical companies. In aggregate, we're well diversified across a broad range of end markets. We're going to go more in depth at each of these businesses in a few minutes, but first, let me tell you what the transformation at Eastern looks like. Our transformation is rooted in our focus on growth, and we believe that we're on track to double sales, growing at an average annual rate of 15% between 2016 and 2019. Of course, 2020 sales were impacted by the decision of a number of our customers to close operations in the second quarter in response to the COVID-19 pandemic, and a gradual recovery in demand during the remainder of the year. Top line growth since 2015 is the result of both organic growth in our core businesses as well as our acquisitions. Over the past few years, most of our organic growth has come from Eberhard's expansion into new markets and Velvac's new truck fleet programs. The growth in sales is one of the primary drivers behind our expansion of cash. When we started, before 2016, Eastern reliably generated roughly $9 million in cash from operating activities per year. We have tripled that number. And even through the pandemic, we continue to generate strong cash flow. This is the oil in our growth engine, allowing us to pay down debt and reinvest in our future growth. The growth in cash flow between 2015 and 2019 came primarily from sales and net income growth, but also from improving capital efficiency and reducing our working capital and improving returns on our capital expenditures by increasing our capital allocation discipline and shifting our portfolio to more efficient businesses. I would like to spend the rest of this presentation delving more deeply into the businesses that will drive our growth in the future. I'll talk about Big 3 Precision, Eberhard, and Velvac. Big 3 Precision includes two operations: returnable packaging for OEM supply chains and blow mold tooling. Big 3 Precision Products is one of the largest and one of the few end-to-end players in the market for custom returnable packaging that supports manufacturing supply chains. We estimate that the domestic market for custom packaging is in excess of $1 billion, and it's still very fragmented. This market is beginning to enter a transformational stage. First, automotive, which is far and away the largest segment, is expected to grow rapidly as a result of the projected increase in the number of new vehicle launches, including the launch of numerous new electric vehicles. According to Bank of America, the number of launches is expected to increase by an average of 70% in the next 4 years to approximately 70 new models per year, compared to 40 per year in the prior 10 years. The increase in vehicle launches and the shortening of product lives is the result of changes in consumer demand, new product technology, new methods of production, and fierce competition among automotive brands. Each new vehicle launch requires new packaging, design, and production. At the same time, manufacturing automation is driving demand for packaging that integrates with the assembly line, as is illustrated on the picture here on this page, where our seat pallets are moving alongside the production line and delivering seats to robots for placement right into the vehicles. As OEMs continue to apply automation, they look to returnable packaging to provide a precision fit and a precision orientation so that components can be picked up or retrieved by a robotic device. Increasingly, packaging needs to be able to communicate with robot-equipped work cells so that the cells know what product is being introduced. We see the increase in manufacturing automation as a development that enables us to add more value to our supply chain packaging products. As a leader in North America, we're well positioned to capitalize on these opportunities. In addition to strong and favorable market dynamics, we see significant expansion opportunities in the near term by providing more products to our core customers, especially in dunnage, expanding geographically, and pursuing additional end markets to further diversify beyond vehicles. Our blow mold tooling business is one of the largest in North America with one of the broadest product offerings, providing our customers with a wide range of tooling solutions including IBM, ISBM, two-step, and caps and closures. We have long-standing relationships with the most demanding consumer goods and pharmaceutical customers who offer us a steady stream of recurring revenue. In 2019, Big 3 Precision acquired ATM in the UK to expand its offerings from bottles to include caps and closures. Last July, we acquired Halink, based in Ontario, Canada, and integrated it with our business. Halink expanded our offering to include two-step blow mold tooling, and it provides us entry into innovative packaging design using recycled plastics. We work closely with leading-edge consumer brands like Ice River Water in Canada, which uses 100% recycled plastic for its water bottles. We see the move to recycled plastics as a huge opportunity for this business because of the engineering and design challenges. Eberhard is a leader in the approximately $350 to $400 million market for access hardware for vehicles and vehicle accessories, providing safety and security hardware for primarily commercial and military vehicle OEMs and bodybuilders, but also with a broader reach into a wide range of industrial and consumer products. Eberhard is combining with our Illinois lock business, which Eastern bought in 1965. And through this combination, Eberhard not only benefits from consolidation synergies and is currently in the process of streamlining its manufacturing footprint, but more importantly, can leverage the combined capabilities to drive adoption of electromechanical and digital products in our markets. In the past few years, our Illinois lock business has invested in these capabilities, including through the acquisition of Load and Lock, which brings power to a wide range of vehicle handles and locks. And last year we launched Blue Origin to the truck accessory market. Blue Origin is a Bluetooth control module that integrates with OEM key fobs and works with Android and iPhones. With the combination of Eberhard and Illinois lock, we're now able to bring these products to many of our best bodybuilding and service body customers. We believe that by 2025, more than 1/3 of Eberhard's sales will come from electromechanical and digital products. Our third core business, Velvac, is focused on driver safety and offers vision systems, primarily mirrors, to truck OEMs, fleets, manufacturers of other commercial vehicles, and motorhomes. Velvac is a dominant player in its markets, in no small part due to its excellence in manufacturing and favorable cost position. And it is able to leverage its position to drive innovation, integrating cameras and other vision technology into its products. Last year, we launched our vision-based blind spot detection system into the RV industry. This is a proprietary product that we developed in-house, leveraging an existing hardware platform. Our blind spot detection system is based on high accuracy computer vision technology and detects objects up to 100 feet behind the vehicle. When the system detects a motor vehicle in the blind spot on one or both sides, the icon in the respective mirror glass will illuminate to warn the user. What is important to our OEM customers is that the system is easy to install and it enables self-updating and auto-calibration, which means that it can support a wide variety of vehicle sizes and shapes. This allows OEMs to install our blind spot detection systems on motorhomes and truck chassis or cutaway vans, where the OEM can't know what the final vehicle will look like. Today, we are the only provider of this product to the RV OEMs, improving driver safety and, of course, offering a new source of growth for the business. Together, Big 3 Precision, Eberhard, and Velvac represent the new Eastern. In summary, we've had a busy couple of years. We started with a plan and we've continued to execute. We've completed 4 acquisitions in the past 4 years, sold several businesses, and built a strong leadership team. More importantly, we believe 2021 is in many ways a new start for Eastern, with a recovery from the COVID-19 pandemic, a focus on our largest businesses, and a strong balance sheet. As a result, we're excited about the future for Eastern. We have a portfolio of businesses that allows us to continue to accelerate organic growth and offers opportunities for attractive bolt-on M&A. To do this, we remain focused on generating cash and paying down our debt, and we believe that these actions will contribute to our goal of becoming a $100 million EBITDA company. Further, we're here today speaking with you to build investors' awareness of what we've done and where we're going. A lot has happened at Eastern, and we look forward to keeping you informed, as there'll be much more to come. Thank you for your interest.